Now we will move to 4-digit number. Read the number displayed in the symbol. Now for 4-digit numbers, we know that there are 4 places. So first place is ones place, then you have tens place, then you have hundreds place, and then you have 1000s place. So whatever is the digit at fourth place, we need to read it as 1000. So suppose you have the number as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1234. Suppose you have 9876, then the number will be read as 9876, and so on. So now we will read the number displayed in the symbol. So now you need to observe that how many balls are there at a particular place. So on thousands place there are 2 balls. At hundreds place there is only 1 ball. At tens place there is 1, and at units place there are 2 balls. So the required number is 2112, that is nothing but 2112. We'll move to next problem. Now similarly here at thousands place, how many balls are there? There are 2 balls. At hundreds place, how many balls are there? There is no ball given at hundreds place. So in this abacus we will write 0 here. Now how many balls are there at tens place? There are 3 balls. And how many balls are there at units place, that is ones place? It is 4. So the number is 2034. Now here you need to take very much care whenever there are no balls or whenever there is a 0 written. So that 0, generally you forget to write that 0 and you create the number as 234, but it is 4-digit number and there are no balls or there is no digit on that particular place. So we need to write it as 0. So your required number is 2034, that is 2034. Understood? This is a important problem, important variety of this type. Even in Olympiad exam, there are questions based on such symbols and you need to perform various operations based on these symbols. Now next problem. Now here at thousands place, there are 5 balls. So we will write 5. Then we have 3 balls. So 3 here. Now there is nothing displayed at tens place. So we will write 0. There is nothing displayed at ones place also, so we will write one more 0. So the required number is 5300, that is 5300. It is not 53, it is 5300. Now next is, there are just 5 balls at thousands place, so we will write 5. Then at hundreds place it is 0. At tens place it is 0 and at units place also it is 0. So the required number is 5000, that is 5000, which is nothing but 5000. So the required number is 5000. Now how many balls are here in thousands place? That is 5. How many balls are there at hundreds place? It is 3. How many balls are there at tens place? It is 2. And how many balls are there at units place? It is 0. So your required number is 5320. So it is 5320. Read the number displayed in the symbol. Now here, how many balls are there at thousands place? It is 5. How many balls are there at hundreds place? It is 0. How many balls are there at tens place? It is 0. And how many balls are there at units place? It is 3. So we will have 500. So the required number is 5003. We'll move to next variety of problem. Here what you need to do is write the given numbers in figures. Okay, so the first number is 4005. Now it is 4005. So 4000. So 4 will come at 1000's place and there is just 5. So 5 will come at units place, and in between digit, that is tens place and hundreds place, will be filled with 0. So the required number is 4005, that is 4005. Now next is 5017. So 5 will come at thousands place and there is a 17 given. So 1 will come at tens place and 7 will come at units place. So there is no digit to fill up the hundreds place, so it will be filled by 0. Hence the required number is 5017, that is 5017. Next is 7313. It is very easy problem. So 7 is at thousands place, 300, so 3 at hundreds place, and 13, 1 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. So the required number is 7313, that is 7313. Now next is 8000. So simply 8 is at thousands place, which is followed by 0, 0 and 0. So 0 at hundreds place, 0 at tens place and 0 at units place also. So the number is 8000, that is 8000. And next is 9999. So 9 at thousands place, 9 at hundreds place, and for 99, 9 at tens place as well as 9 at units place. So the required number is 9999, that is 9999. Thank you for watching the complete video. In next video, we will be covering 5-digit numbers. Do subscribe Amrita's link to stay tuned. We are also conducting specialized online batches for Olympiad scholarship and other competitive exams. In case you are interested to join, please WhatsApp on the number displayed on the screen 86258 90471. Thank you.